Here's how to add a reference image in Krita. First, create a new document in Krita. Once your canvas is open, select the Reference Images tool from the toolbar. Next, make sure reference images are visible by opening the View menu and checking Show Reference Images. Then, use the Tool Options docker to add your image. If Tool Options is not visible, go to Window, select Workspace, and then select Default. With the Reference Images tool selected, use the option to add a reference image and choose the image you want from your computer. Once it appears on the canvas, you can click and drag it to position it wherever you want. You can also resize the reference image by dragging its handles. Place it next to or over the area where you want to draw. If the image is covering your artwork, lower its opacity using the reference image controls. This makes it easier to trace or use the image as a visual guide while keeping your drawing visible underneath. You can also adjust the reference image's opacity at any time by selecting the reference image and changing the opacity value in the available controls. That's all for this video. Thanks.